Hello everyone, and I'm here right now at the DPR PATS campus located at Plaridel, Bulacan.
DPR PATS, or Philippine Academy in Technology and Sciences, is a school located here at Plaridel, Bulacan. They provide students with the knowledge and skills in the field of aircraft maintenance such as identifying, inspecting, operating, maintaining, troubleshooting aircraft structural, mechanical, and electrical systems, repairing structures and systems for aircraft and other aerospace vehicles. They also offer other courses related to aviation such as flight attendant course. Their flagship course is AMT or Aircraft Maintenance Technology, and they are equipped with different aircraft to really bring out the best in their students. I would really like to thank DPR PATS for allowing me to shoot this video. They are located at Airport Road, Plaridel, Bulacan.
And today's topic is all about an APU, or which is known as an auxiliary power unit of an aircraft. Okay, pansin nyo, whenever you board an aircraft, especially if you're gonna take the steps, okay, you're gonna hear a sound na ee, ganon, or parang tunog jet engine. Well, actually, those are not the jet engines working. That is an APU, or auxiliary power unit, working. Okay, now many of you are wondering, what is this for? Bakit kailangan ng APU? So of course, behind me is an actual APU of a McDonnell Douglas DC-9, and to explain further of how an APU works is Head of Training of DPR PATS here located at Plaridel, Bulacan. So sir, may I get your name?
Hello guys, good day po. Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. You can call me Sir Rowell. I work here as the Head of Training. I am the one handling these particular types of equipments here. Katulad mo ng sabi ni Sir Mond, this is an APU. This is an actual APU. And in fact, this particular unit is working. Occasionally, we do run-ups or bench test for this engine. Pinapaandar po namin siya minsan ng nakalagay sa stand na to. So, para magawa yun, we have to install some other parts like the battery. Kailangan nagkabitan din namin siya ng appropriate fuel system. And for us to control it, we used to install a remote control device. Kumbaga, para po hindi na siya konektahan ng madaming mga wires. Naggagawa kami ng konting modification in terms of controls. So, because of that, we were able to make this engine run by means of a simple remote control device. Anyway, this type of APU is called the GTCP 85-9D. It is made in USA, and it is manufactured by Garrett Air Research. It is a company that produces most of the modern day APUs. So, karaniwan lang po na yung mga eroplano na sinasakyan natin kapag magta-travel tayo ay meron sila lahat ng mga auxiliary power unit or airborne auxiliary power unit. The function of this engine is para lang din siyang karaniwang generator na alam natin, di ba? Halimbawa sa mga construction work, meron silang some sort of equipment na hinihila, nakalagay sa trailer. So pag umandar na yung engine na yon, doon sila makakakuha ng electrical power or sometimes compressed air para mapagana yung mga equipment nila. So parang ganun lang din naman po yung auxiliary power unit. The APU on most modern passenger airline is the one that is used to supply alternating current or AC power para po mapagana yung mga ilaw sa passenger's cabin, or yung iba pa mga 115 volts operated equipment. Siya na rin po yung nagsusupply ng DC current or yung mga kumbaga yung kuryente na necessary para sa mga batteries, para ma-recharge yung battery, saka yung ilang mga emergency equipment like radios. Yung mga yun po kasi ay 28 volts operated doon sa range ng 28 volts. So, kayang gawin ng APU po yun. The APU also supplies pneumatic power. So, sa aircraft kasi, merong ilang mga parts na nagpa-function siya by means of compressed air. Halimbawa po, yung starter ng malalaking makina, kasi para umandar yung malaking engine, kailangan niya ng air starter. Hindi kuryente. So, dito nanggagaling yung sa may ducting na to, dyan lumalabas yung compressed air. Yung ibang APU, siya na rin yung pinagkukuhanan ng hydraulic power. So that the ailerons, yung mga controls ng wing, saka ng tail section, even the brakes, napapagana siya by means of the hydraulic system. But this particular APU does not support the hydraulic system of the aircraft. Sa madaling salita po, yung GTC P85, nakadesign po siya to supply 28 volts electrical power, 115 volts electrical power, alternating current, at saka po yung pneumatic power para sa DC-9 aircraft.
Okay. Sir Ruel, question. Where is the APU usually located in an aircraft? Let's say for this APU on a DC-9, saan located to?
Well, in the DC-9, in the design of the DC-9, the APU is located at the up section of the fuselage, which means that nandun halos sa dulo ng tail section. Hindi naman sa exactly dulo. Yung ibang models naman ng aircraft like the Boeing, yung mga range ng Boeing aircraft, nasa tail section din. Ganon din po sa mga aircraft models ng Airbus. Pero meron ilan na wala po sa buntot. Halimbawa, yung classic aircraft ng Boeing, yung 727, the APU is located at the center of the wings. Ganun po yung location niya. Pero almost all of them are positioned at the tail section.
Okay. So no wonder pala why, if you're gonna go to the back of an aircraft, you're gonna see an exhaust right below the tail.
Yeah.
So that's basically kung nasaan yung APU, right? That's
Yes,
exhaust. So speaking of intake and exhaust, I think this is the exhaust.
Yes,
Am I
sir.
correct?
Ayan, subukan nating ikutin. Ayan.
Okay.
Yun, ito po. Okay, kita na siguro.
Yan. So this is the exhaust, right?
Yes po. Sa mga APU, ito po yung pinagmumulan nung, of course, yung ingay. Saka dito din lumalabas yung mainit na gas. Na ito na rin yung, dito na rin nakaduktong yung butas na madalas nakikita natin sa tip ng tail ng mga aircraft. Pagka nagbo-boarding kayo, usually mapapansin niyo may butas dun sa dulo. Tapos nandun yung maingay na nadidinig natin.
So, it's technically, it's like a small jet engine, itong
Yes,
APU,
yes.
kasi it sucks in air over there, then exhaust over here.
Yes, sir.
Kaya pala, Sir Ruel, I know, this small equipment, ang ingay, ang lakas.
Yes. The noise level of the APU is actually hindi ka pwede na hindi magsusuot ng protective equipment. Dapat talaga kapag ka nagsimula ng mag-operate yung APU, meron ka nang nakalagay na earplugs or ear muff.
Okay. So yet, Sir Ruel, I'm really curious of how this sounds, how loud this APU is. Lalo na, kasi ako, I mean, sanay alam ko yung tunog sa Airbus.
Yes.
Diba? Pag lumilipad tayo, domestic flights,
Yes.
minsan sa labas ka nagbo-board, diba?
Yes.
So rinig na rinig ang APU. I'm wondering, gaano kaingay ang sa DC-9? And for us to do that, we will start an actual APU. Not this one, but inside an actual DC-9. Okay? So, let's head out and check out how to start an APU only here on my video. So guys, I'm here right now in the cockpit of a McDonnell Douglas DC-9 because we're gonna run the APU and you're gonna hear it both from outside and inside and you're gonna see the procedure, how it's done. And I, of course, nandito si Sir Ruel here beside me. Yan siya. And let's get it on, sir!
DC-9 run procedures. Cockpit to ground marshal, radio check.
Loud and clear, sir.
Ground marshal, position emergency equipment to the designated areas.
Already designated, sir.
Voltmeter setting to battery voltage. GPU control set to max timer.
GPU set to max timer.
GPU control set to number 1.
GPU control set to number 1.
25 volts confirmed. Emergency power set to on position. Floodlight CB engaged. G25 and G26 circuit breaker engaged. Battery relay circuit breaker armed. Battery switch on. Autopilot light CB engaged. Carriage motor 1 and 2 engaged. Cabin standby lights engaged. Center up fuel pump, switch on for 5 seconds. Three, four, five. Center up fuel pump off. APU control CB engaged. Ram door safety cover release. Ram door switch to off position. Ground marshal, radio check.
Go ahead, sir.
APU door clear to open.
Clear.
Setting APU door to RAM position. Ground marshal, please confirm APU door position.
Fully open, sir.
APU master switch to run position. Beacon lights switch on. GPU booster. GPU control switch to booster setting. Ground, radio check.
Yes, sir. Go ahead, sir. Already set.
APU area clear.
Clear.
Starting the APU engine in 3, 2, 1. There, temperature rising. So it will take around 30 seconds.
Guys, what we're doing right now is we're starting the APU of a McDonnell Douglas DC-9. So here's a step-by-step process. here only at DPR PATS. Thank you so much, DPR PATS, for this opportunity.
See the temperature now going back to 400, which means that the temperature of the engine is starting to normalize. The voltage returned to 25 volt, which means that the DC power is probably revived.
It's the RPM for the APU.
Yes. We will be running the engine for around 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Okay.
Down. Go backward, I mean, then down. And then pull it.
Pull it.
There.
Guys, that's how loud an APU is of a DC-9. You can hear it from the cockpit.
Okay, just try to close it again, sir. Move it up, or inward like this, and then forward.
Wow. Only here in my video you're gonna watch something like this. Classic DC-930 APU Startup. Next time na tayo sa JT8D engines.
The difference between this particular aircraft is that you have to observe so many gauges and instruments.
Yes. So you have to look around really.
Yes, you have to observe everything while the engine is running.
So this is the normal temperature ahead.
Yes. When it returned to 400, which it means that the engine is in good running condition. No irregularities.
And this is for the RPM. So this is stable at
This one's supposed to be in 100.
Oh.
Right now, I think we have some sort of discrepancy with the instrument.
okay.
By the way, the speed of the APU engine in the DC-9 cannot be manipulated manually.
Yes.
When you run it up, it will always keep on running at 100%.
Mm-hmm.
So the systems will automatically maintain that speed
Okay.
regardless of the loading that you wanted to do. For example, you want to use more air, you want to use more electricity,
Mm-hmm.
the FCU will keep on maintaining 100%.
Okay.
Not like a normal engine. The normal engine, you can manually move it to throttle down
Yes.
or throttle up. But the APU is different. Okay, we are now running at 3 minutes, so it's about time for us to shut down.
Shut down. Alright. So now we will shut down the APU for DC-9, and here's the process.
Usually, before we do the shutdown, we have to take picture of the instrument reading so that we can use the photo for some documentations and technical logs.
Alright.
Shutting down the engine is very simple. We just have to pull the master switch into off position.
Okay.
It's like that. When we do that, the APU will be initiated into its normal shutdown.
Alright. So startup really has a lot of checks
Yes.
before you can start it up, but shutting it down, basically just pull the switch, the master switch,
Yes, sir.
to off.
Once we did that, when I turn the switch into off position, we will wait for around 30 seconds or less for the engine to totally stop. because
Alright.
the engine is still running right now. APU Marshal, please confirm if the engine has fully stopped.
Roger, sir. Engine fully stopped, sir.
Please repeat, sir. Is the engine fully stopped? We really need to confirm.
Confirming, sir.
Okay, next. APU Marshal, clear to close the APU door.
Clear to close, sir.
Yes, you have to confirm that because you cannot close the APU door
Mhm.
while the engine is still running.
Okay.
Moving the APU control to close position. We will wait for another 10 seconds for the ram door to fully close. APU Marshal, please confirm the ram door position.
Ram door is fully closed.
This time we can now switch off the beacon lights.
Beacon lights switch off.
Beacon line switch off.
APU control CB disengage. Overhead CBs disengage. Battery switch off. 25 and 26 disengage. Emergency switch off.
Supposed to switch it off like this.
DPR PATS RPC 1543, all switches off.
So that's it, sir.
Alright. So guys, thank you so much for watching. So at least marami kayo natutunan about how an APU works, and we were able to switch on. You're able to see the procedure of how an APU is switched on here on a McDonnell Douglas DC-9 30. So thank you so much, Sir Ruel, for really sharing your knowledge about APU. God, this plane is really small. But you know, those are planes of the past. Thank you so much, Sir Ruel, for showing us a step-by-step process on how the APU is engaged on a McDonnell Douglas DC-9, and of course explaining how an APU works. Alright, so only here at DPR PATS would you be able to do these activities, actually switching on an actual APU in an aircraft. Hindi to VR, nor is it a mock flight deck, nor is it a sim. It's an actual aircraft. So please do come by DPR PATS if you want to be an AMT, if you want to take up an AMT course, or if you want to just, you know, hang out and visit the planes at the annex area. So thanks everyone for watching. Till next video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mond Ortiz, for more videos like this. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.